This is nuts. Oh my, how is this real? What is life? Hello, good morning. It's the 26th of July and I still haven't gotten the sulfur out of my hair from yesterday's Blue Lagoon, which I necessarily didn't like as much as this man right here. But today we are going to the Katla caves and let's take you there.
Maybe titanium or something ridiculously strong. Good.
अभी भैया के पास बैठ जाना टेस्ट करने के लिए अब आगे बैठ जाना
Oh yum, pit stop to get some food and water for the road.
It's just fresh and all that ash is wonderful.
Oh my god.
I hope the bathrooms are here.
We made it to Skoga Falls. The closer you go to the waterfall, minutes is too less for this place. But if you ever come to a waterfall in Iceland, you need to get more time because you're gonna get drenched. And yeah.
From the top and then a little video. There was a Viking with anger issues. He was. Someone should make. So.
The black sand. My feet and socks both got wet. So we're currently driving through the volcanic desert of Skidara Sandor, which is a vast plain where sandstorms can be so intense that they can strip paint from cars.
Everything.
We will see on the Vikings here.
1918.
Okay.
She spread ashes over the whole area, and suddenly this was not seen anymore here.
Australian and so nice.
Look at the fog around the top of the mountain.
yes
Volcano का कब है? कितना खाना है?
Energy drink. Oh, thank you.
it's in order.
Thank you.
I do this. How cool are you? Introduce yourself to my vlog. I'm vlogging. It's going on YouTube. You don't understand. You don't understand. Oh my god. Oh my god. What we have in front of us. This is the journey to the waterfall. God, there's an actual freaking rainbow behind me. You can see the rainbow. This is real life. Oh my god. What the hell? Unbelievable. That waterfall literally just spat on me. What? Oh my god.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in your house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you would stay here beside me. This isn't how
I've never felt more proud in the moment. Like I really wanted to do this at midnight when the skies were red, so that the reflection there comes exactly as I wanted it to hit the light. But last time filming. This is the last stop for the day, and I'll have to stop my vlog right now because my battery is on 5%. You cannot believe.
I know the hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here and contemplate. I just can't stop thinking about us. Won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stay here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stay here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Visit. Always bring a raincoat and enjoy the delicacies.